The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Aunt B keeps raising rates. How can she keep raising rates, which is raising your payments when your wages aren't going up? That is stupid. It makes no sense what she's doing. And at some point, she's going to have to stop, because this is going to really hurt the economy. And that's what I said when she started to raise her first of two rates this year, that was nuts to do. Because how were people going to keep up with their payments when their wages aren't going up? But she kept lying and telling us, oh, look at the inflation. My inflation is right where my target is, 2%. And as long as inflation up, wages go up. Oh, really? She lied to us. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, out the Wall Street Radio Network. Yesterday, commodities went soaring, especially gold. Now everyone is asking why. Well, the simple answer is commodities are priced in dollars, and when dollars go down, commodities go up. But there's more to it than that. When you have a dollar in a downward spiral, even when the 10-year yield on the Treasury was soaring, that rarely happens, remember. Rarely does that happen. Usually they both go together because they send out the same message. When they both go up, the yield and the dollar, means the economy's good. When the yield on the 10-year Treasury or the interest rate and the dollar goes down, it means the economy is not good. But if you recall, we kept on seeing the 10-year yield, the Treasury going up, identifying the economy was getting better, and she kept telling us it was getting better, and she kept telling it was doing nicely, and she's going to keep raising rates, but the dollar kept going down. And I said to my gang members, I said, look, we have a very negative divergence here. We got to keep our eye open because we got to start buying gold, metals, oils. Because as that dollar keeps going down, everyone's going to find out at some point she is lying. When the yields were going up, remember what happened? Everybody was getting out of the big tech stocks. Even the FANG stocks on June 9th, right before the closing, had about 10% crash. Everybody was piling out of the tech stocks, piling out of the small tech stocks, the semiconductors. Everybody was jumping into the banks because she said she's going to keep raising rates and the banks are going to be making so much profit they don't want to know what to do with the money. I kept saying, no, it's not going to happen. I kept saying that's not going to happen. Banks aren't going to make profits. The only thing that's going to increase, not profits, but defaults. But boy, you keep hearing on B, no, everything's wonderful. Really. Well, I knew something was wrong when I saw that divergence between the Treasury and the dollar going up, going down, the yields going up. So the real reason, to really find out what is why the hell is gold just taking off? You have to go back. You got to go back to the election to really understand why gold is going up and why that dollar kept going down while interest rates are going up, and why I kept saying stay with your gold. Be patient. We're going to make a lot of money on gold mining stocks especially, which we've had. But you got to go back to get the whole story, to figure out what is going on. And it's real simple. Remember Aunt B, and remember Obama were backing Hillary in the election. They had to create an illusion. They had to create a narrative that the economy under Obama was doing terrific. So why change? Why change horses? Vote for Hillary. A vote for Hillary is to maintain the same wonderful policies, the same economy that Obama's given you. Remember that? Remember that? And B kept saying everything's wonderful. She kept the same fake narrative going. And she kept going even after the election. Same thing, right after the election.
The economy's been doing nicely.
And she kept raising rates. You know why? To provide evidence to her fake narrative that the economy was doing nicely. That's why she raised rates. Wages weren't going up. She knows that higher interest rates, like the higher 10-year yield treasury, 10-year treasury yield, and higher inflation indicates higher wages. Remember, higher inflation indicates higher wages and a strong economy. When every day, all Main Street keeps hearing from the jibber jabbers on TV is new stock market records. Every day, new record high. The NASDAQ, record high. The S&P, record high. Dow, record high, record high, record high. It's all we hear every day.
It is a packed earnings week this week, and it's sending the markets to all-time highs.
50 points higher, 52 points higher. Look at that.
It is a record across the board for the Dow, S&P, and the NASDAQ.
I say this rally is about profits.
Boy, record highs every day. All this on TV. Unbelievable. Corporate profits have doubled, we were told. Record low unemployment. Booming exports. So why are you not getting a raise? Everybody asks that. If things are so good, if exports are booming, the stock market is record highs, corporate profits have doubled, why the hell aren't I getting a raise? And how could it be the annual wage growth since 2013 has only averaged an anemic 2.1%? It's called lack of inflation. That's why you can't get a pay raise. Lack of inflation. See, inflation, remember, we always hear how inflation, you always think inflation, low inflation's a good thing. You always think low inflation's a good thing. Don't you? I used to think when I used to hear that, low inflation was a good thing. On the surface, sounds like a great thing. But it's not. It's a bad thing. As it's associated with low wages, wage stagnation. Why? Because, see, inflation is the price of goods. And every price you pay for goods is someone's income, is someone else's income. Let me repeat. Inflation is the price of goods you buy. And every price you pay for goods is someone else's income. So when inflation's going up, wages are rising. When they don't, wages become stagnant at best. Yet Yelling during the campaign lied when she said wage growth is right around the corner. Really? That's a big, wide corner. We're not even getting close to the, to the corner. Wages are not right around the corner.
There are also indications that wage growth is picking up.
Have wages increased or decreased in the past year?
They have increased by most measures.
That's unbelievable. Wage growth has not increased, and it's not right around the corner. They're not. And she knows it. Because inflation was not rising. And we all better get used to our paychecks staying right where they are. Because remember, you can't get a raise unless inflation goes up, meaning the cost of goods go up. Because inflation is the price of goods, and every price you pay for the goods is someone else's income. She lied to us and said she hit her target of 2%. She was nearing her target of 2%. Well, yesterday what happened? What happened yesterday? If things were so good, why did gold explode yesterday? She said everything was wonderful because yesterday she had to tell the truth. The inflation that drives wages, the inflation she said that was near her target, the Fed target of 2%, she's been telling that since the election, turns out to be a lie, a big lie. And she had to admit it yesterday, and that is why gold exploded. We'll talk more about gold and other stocks when we get back. 15 past the hour. Join my gang, Phil's Gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Phil'sGang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you know the stock market is up over 250% in the past 8 years? And some financial experts say we're only in the 8th year of a 20-year bull market. But what if the market takes a downturn? What will happen to your 401k? What will happen to your retirement nest egg? You remember 2008-2009 when your 401k dropped big time. Americans lost over $2.4 trillion, or over 25% of their investments. At Phil'sGang.com, we teach you to keep your investments and to secure your financial future. With Phil'sGang.com, you'll learn how to understand to invest in the stock market and how to keep the profits you work so hard for. Avoid the financial pain. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with Phil'sGang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil'sGang.com. For more information, simply go to Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, 877-600-4264.
So, what is love? Love is being independent.
Love is dancing.
At Shriners Hospital for Children, love is a new smile.
At Shriners Hospitals for Children, love is caring for a child regardless of the family's ability to pay. Learn how you can send your love to the rescue at lovetotherescue.org.
Phil'sGang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? Phil'sGang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the Phil'sGang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At Phil'sGang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, Phil'sGang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and Phil'sGang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at Phil'sGang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to Phil'sGang.com. That's Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Given that longer-term inflation expectations appear to be well anchored, the committee continues to expect inflation to move gradually back toward its objective. Our objective of 2% longer-run inflation, very clear. We did that in order to be transparent.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
Unbelievable. Yesterday, she admitted she lied. Now, she didn't come out and say I lied, but she did by telling us that I'm going to stop raising rates. Why? Because inflation is not at 2%, 1.25%. So wait a minute. She's been lying all the way through the election? Yeah. All the way through the election. And then she got lucky. She didn't have to tell the truth. Why? Because Trump gave her cover. And we'll talk about that after. First, let's go make some money, and we'll go to Stock Corner.
The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
With the massive move in our metals and mining, I want to give you an opportunity. I need 20 ambassadors. I'm going to give 20 people, because now the mining stocks, the gold stocks, the bullion stocks, silver, copper is going through the roof. I want you to be able to see how well these charts work, how well they work. Look at copper. For God's sakes, copper has gone up 36% since it turned green. 36%. And all you need is just look at the chart. Just follow us. Matter of fact, I remember in April, I said copper is going to probably be the where we're going to make most money this year. I said, do you really think that China is going to stop building fake cities? Are you kidding? They need copper and a lot of it. And I said, that, you watch. And the copper was the worst. Nobody was buying copper. And guess what? It's up 36%. Now, I'm not saying every one of my gang members caught 36% returns. No, I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is my gang members who have the MV2 chart, and if copper was one of the stocks, one of the metal stocks that they were following or they follow all the time, look at the opportunity. They had a 36% opportunity. Just watch it change from red to green. For God's sakes. And all these metals are doing that now. So I'm going to prove to 20 folks that this works, and then I want you to tell 20 more, and they tell 20 more, and they tell 20 more. Couldn't be more perfect timing. I'm going to limit it to 20. I always limit it to 20. And here's the number, 877-600-GANG. The first 20, 877-600-GANG. You have to join the gang, $39.95, and then you get the chart, which is $29.95 value. Get that for 4 weeks free. And then help me spread the word. Everybody should have this chart, for heaven's sakes, because you haven't got to know anything about the company. You don't. People really think you need to know about PE ratios. You hear these guys every day talk about PE ratios, operating margins, gross profits. You haven't got to know anything other than, is it green? Is Vanguard, is T. Rowe Price, J.P. Morgan, are they buying? Because like I said yesterday, they're like cattle. They all follow each other. You talk about collusion. There's collusion. They all get together at the same time and say, let's buy copper. And now it's up 36%. Our GDX, beautiful stock. We're always in GDX. Is now up 9%. They say, oh, gold will never go up, remember? And when the dollar kept going down, and everybody asked, wait a minute, doesn't gold go up? No. It's always supposed to go up. You're right. When the dollar goes down, gold always goes up. When the dollar goes down, the 10-year yield on the Treasury, interest is supposed to go down. But that wasn't happening. Because of such lying going on, the interest rate on the 10-year yield was going up. But the dollar never followed it. It always does, but it didn't. And I said to my gang, what a great opportunity we're going to have. Just be patient. People are going to know Yellen is lying. She's lying about 100% employment. How can we reach 100% employment when we have 100 million people who don't have jobs? What a stupid lie that was. Can you imagine coming out and telling everybody 100% employment? But see, when Trump, as I said, when Trump came out with his program, and we had that 17% rally, that gave her cover. She didn't have to. She said, gee, I don't have to admit I've been lying about inflation. I don't have to admit, therefore, I've been lying about wages because his programs are going to start inflation. Whew. She said, boy, that's going to cover me. Well, it never happened because Trump's not getting his programs together. Because the Republicans, the established Republicans, don't want him to have a second term. They think they need somebody that's a politician to be president. So they're going to torpedo him. That's what they've been doing. So we'll talk more about that, but let's get to making some money. You have, the metals are doing well. And if you look at the dollar, symbol UUP, the dollar continues to drop. Why? Because Trump says he wants a weak dollar. Remember he said he first wanted a strong dollar? He changed all that. He says, I now want a weak dollar. Oh, he wanted to help the big boys. He wanted to help the multinationals. Because who got his ear? Who got his ear? The cockroaches that he put around him from Goldman Sachs and the Carlyle Group. He said, well, they must know what they're doing. They're smarter than me in this stuff. I'm going to hire the best. Remember, he said, I'm going to hire the best people when he was candidate. I'm going to hire the best people. So he thought Carlyle Group, Goldman Sachs, that's where all the brains are. The thing he failed to remember, they're cockroaches. They're not going to do what's good for America. They're going to do what's good for them, for Wall Street. And that's what they're doing. So they're telling him, turn around and drop the dollar. You want to drop the dollar? That's a good thing. Are you kidding? Remember his narrative? He was for a strong dollar. Remember he said, I'm for a strong dollar because it's associated with a strong economy. And we will grow the economy and wages by giving corporations big tax cuts from 35% to 15%. By investing in infrastructure. He would repeal and replace Obamacare, all that. But now he's changed his mind. He's going to increase and grow the economy using a weak dollar? More when we get back. Get your free chart, 877-600-GANG, only 20. There's 20 available.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Even the experienced traders and investors need to keep learning to stay ahead. philsgang.com provides educational information about Phil's Gang products and services in many different ways. Daily live webinars hosted by Phil Grandy and technical charting experts help you understand and keep up with today's lively markets. Short videos, investing programs, and up-to-the-minute market alerts help you get up to speed with the market using Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charting software. We teach you an investing foundation that you seek to take the first steps towards achieving your personal financial goals. Visit philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, that's philsgang.com. philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're offering the most powerful stock charts available on the market, the MaxVest 1000 charts. Now, the difference between these charts and all the other charts is this follows the money. Yes, it gives you a buy-sell signal. I know you're going to say, well, they all do. No, not true. The difference with the MaxVest is they follow the important money, the hedge funds, the biggest banks, the 401ks, the pension fund managers. That's the big difference. They're not following the emotion. That's what most charts do. They follow the money. That's what MaxVest does, follows the money. Check it out. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Oh, and the chart as low as $19.95 a month. For more information, just go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. We will see you on the charts.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with a prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Are you an investor or considering investing in the stock market? At philsgang.com, we offer a multitude of comprehensive stock investing services and professional support to our members. With philsgang.com, you get professional guidance on basic and advanced technical stock analysis. And just like the pros, you will gain the knowledge to recognize stock buy and sell patterns. Unlike other services available, Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team host daily interactive live streaming investing webinar classes and programs. You get Phil's Gang timely notifications on your phone or mobile device. And all Phil's Gang material is archived so you will never miss a beat. Plus, philsgang.com offers the best real-time stock charts for day traders and long-term investors. With clear charts, in-depth reports, and Phil's recommendations, philsgang.com makes it easy to learn and monitor your portfolio anytime from anywhere. If you're passionate about securing your financial future, check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Get your free chart. I'm looking for 20 ambassadors today. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. The chart works. It's a simple color-coded technology. It identifies when the institutions are all buying and when the institutions are getting out. And the most important thing, here, I'll give you an example. Let's take Rig. Remember Rig? Rig was getting killed. An oil stock. Getting killed. And we waited and waited. And Rig this year alone dropped. Just think about it. Rig dropped this year from $16.75 down to $7.50. Rig. That's a, I mean, think about it. $16 to like $7. Are you kidding? That's a 60% drop. This is a wonderful company. So what do? You wait to get in. So you're going to wait for some schmuck on Varney's show or CNBC to tell you when to buy these? Are you kidding? They're not going to tell you the truth. They're not there to help you. So the chart turned green The chart turned green, and what a beautiful thing. And now Rig has a 10% gain, just coming off the bottom. It still has a long way to go. The same thing happened with Diamond Offshore. Nobody wanted that. It was collapsing. Remember, the oils, nobody could give oil away. Nobody would buy oil stocks. I kept saying to my gang, let's just be patient. Be patient. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. There's no question. We see rotations like this all the time. And Diamond Shore finally turns green, and it goes up 18%. Same thing with Schlumberger, one of the best companies in the world in oil drilling. It was getting slaughtered. Turned green. Now it's up 5%. But here's the important thing. It's not that it's up 5%, 17%, 19%, 10%. That's not what's important. What's important is when are you going to get out? And that's what the chart does for you. It tells you time to get out because you're following the money. How many times do you wish you got out of stock and you never did? How many times did you stay in and gave all your money back? That's not going to happen anymore. That's not going to happen with us anymore. And if you don't have time, just follow the stocks that I'm engaged in every day. And I do a video every night. Put it up for my gang and just do exactly what I'm doing. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 20 ambassadors. All that means is I need 20 people. You get the chart for 30 days, for a month, free, for free. And then I know you're going to talk about it with 20 more people. Because that's the best source of advertising. We all agree with that, right? Word of mouth, that's the best way. Because it works. And you're going to love it. So again, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your calls right now. All right, I want to finish this up. This is so important what's going on. So yesterday, there was a big move in gold because finally she had to admit she was lying about inflation. She was lying about inflation. She kept telling us inflation was near 2%. And remember, wages go up. See, people don't understand this. People, when they hear inflation, they think, oh, this is bad, this is bad. No. Inflation is the price of your goods. And every price you pay for goods, as it goes up, that means someone else's income is going up, and vice versa, going down. That's a good thing. And she kept saying, we're at 2%. We're at target. No, we weren't. And yesterday she said, we're not at target. So I got to stop raising rates. Wow. And then everybody ran for gold. Now, as I said, she was really covered because Trump gave her cover. She should have, right after the election, told the truth. But she says, why should I tell the truth? Because Trump's covering me. Because Trump, remember, he said as a candidate he was associated with a strong dollar because that's associated with a strong economy, and he would grow the economy and wages by giving corporations big tax cuts from 35% to 15%. Investing in infrastructure, repealing Obamacare, and not be after 6 months so none of this was happening. And then when finally, after the market soared 17% and nothing happened, and they finally killed Obamacare yesterday, or not Obamacare, but the repeal of Obamacare, she said, this is over. I'm in trouble. I better come clean. Because when you kill, remember, Obamacare is going to stay alive. Obamacare is a killer of our economy. Obamacare is high premiums. People don't have enough money after they pay their premiums, for God's sakes, to go out and spend on anything else. And it's a killer of jobs because if you're working full-time, they're going to put you part-time because that's how they skirt around paying health care. So everything's still in place. Everything is bad as it was. Nothing's changed. So she said, I better tell the truth. And she did yesterday. And everybody ran to gold. Trump changed his positions from a strong dollar advocate to a weak dollar advocate. Now he's an advocate for a weak dollar. Unbelievable. He once called for that low unemployment numbers were fake. Remember? He said, unemployment's 18%. How can it be at 5%? Now he's saying they're not fake. Now he's the same guy that said the bubble was ugly, fake. Now he's saying it's a beautiful thing and it's not fake. This is what his Goldman Sachs advisors told him to do. They need him to tell him to stop embracing a weak dollar, but they won't do that because Wall Street only benefits from a weak dollar, not Main Street. See, with a weak dollar, that's associated with a weak economy. And here's the problem. When you have a weak dollar, He's trying to help out the multinational companies, which is helping out Wall Street, because 45% of their income come from selling goods overseas. So if you have a weak dollar, they're making money overseas, and 45% of their revenue comes from overseas. So Trump thinks, well, they're telling me this is a good thing. I'm going to do this because I know nothing about this stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to be for a strong dollar. Well, there's a big problem. It's a lie. They don't tell them the truth, that we import 10 million barrels of oil a day, the highest price oil in the world we pay for. Because we do not have a policy. We do not have an energy policy in this country. Remember in the 70s, everybody promised to have an oil policy. We're going to be dependent on ourselves because the Saudis, remember what they did? We had the embargo. Never happened. 40 years, we still don't have one. So every day, we got to import 10.1 million barrels a day. And when we drop the dollar so the multinationals can go over and sell their stuff, that kills you and me at home, because we have to import everything from overseas. We import everything from Canada, from China. And when we import, it's costing us more. Every good in our house, everything in our house is from China. So when we import those goods and the dollar is low, we got to pay much more for the goods. He's killing us just to help out Wall Street. He doesn't realize it. But he said, we got to get, but Wall Street's saying to him, Mr. President, there's a real gain here. Boy, you lower these interest rates, you lower these rates. And boy, we're going to sell a lot of stuff. And the multinational is going to make a lot of money, big profits. That's going to be big wages in this country. All a lie. Because guess what? They don't take those wages. They don't put the wages through the economy. No, they used to, but no more does it go through the economy through wage hikes. No, it goes into their pockets through stock buybacks. We talked about that every day. So China, remember, there's another problem that he's killing us. Not only is he killing us by lowering rates so they can the multinationals can export more. Here's another reason it's killing us. Our rates are going to go up even more. Why? Because who are our lenders? China. And when China sees that we have a weak dollar, that's associated with a weak economy. That means they're loaning to a weak economy. That means they want more interest. And remember how they borrow money. They buy our 10-year treasuries. So our yields will go up. They have to give them more yields, more interest, because the economy's weak. That means your car payment goes up. Everything goes up. There is nothing good about keeping the dollar weak. And I've always said a weak dollar means a weak economy. But Trump believes no. He's doing a good thing for the multinationals by dropping the dollar. No, he's not. Trump needs to understand how it works. Our trade deficits increase with a weak dollar. And whatever gains we get out of it get wiped out with buying 10 million barrels of high-cost foreign oil every day. We'll be right back. Sign up, be an ambassador, get your free chart.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software, I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. No sales pitches, no boring seminars, no spaghetti dinners. At philsgang.com, we teach you technical analysis, how to read stock charts, and ultimately how to make money in the stock market. For only $39.95 a month, or as little as $1.30 a day, you too can master investing in the stock market. philsgang.com provides daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, plus friendly customer support. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. They offer a free weekend seminar class. They put big dazzling names with their programs. But are they really just offering a sales pitch? At philsgang.com, we are the leader in teaching, informing, and helping members understand stock charting, investing in the stock market, and making true profits. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provides daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you could imagine. Plus, the philsgang.com friendly customer support team is available when you need us most. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market? Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, 877-600-4264. No sales pitches, no boring seminars, no spaghetti dinners. At philsgang.com, we teach you technical analysis, how to read stock charts, and ultimately how to make money in the stock market. For only $39.95 a month or as little as $1.30 a day, you too can master investing in the stock market. philsgang.com provides daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, plus friendly customer support. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Even the experienced traders and investors need to keep learning to stay ahead. philsgang.com provides educational information about Phil's Gang products and services in many different ways. Daily live webinars hosted by Phil Grandy and technical charting experts help you understand and keep up with today's lively markets. Short videos, investing programs, and up-to-the-minute market alerts help you get up to speed with the market using Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charting software. We teach you an investing foundation that you seek to take the first steps towards achieving your personal financial goals. Visit philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, that's philsgang.com. philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
After 9 years of what I consider to be a distorted set of policies, completely oriented towards what I regard as monetary extremism, combined with what I consider to be growth suppressive fiscal policies, regulatory, tax. So I think it's created a distorted recovery.
Yes, not only is it distorted, but it's a recovery without prosperity. The economy has never recovered to begin with. It's simply been kept from collapsing by 0% interest rates provided by the gangsters, the quantitative easing. There's never been a recovery, and they'll never stop this. Why do you think Trump went to a weak dollar? Why do you think the Goldman Sachs boys told him to go to a weak dollar? Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. Become an ambassador. Only 20 people. I'm looking for 20. First 20, and that's it. And you get my color-coded chart for 30 days free. You have to join the gangs, $39.95, but you get the chart $29.95 for just 30 days free. And then you go out and talk to 20 other people, and they'll go talk to 20 other people. And I get more out of that than anything else. It works for me. So I'm asking and reaching out to you, but then I'm asking you to reach back. Once you start making money, reach back to St. Jude. You send them $19 a month, only if you're making money, $19 a month. Then you're part of a special community of donors who are committed to saving kids' lives who have cancer. And the parents, because of that $19, never have to pay any bills, food, travel, nothing. So I'm reaching out to you. I want you to try this for 30 days, just 20 people. You spread the word. Then when you start making money, only if you start making money, do you send money to St. Jude. That's the deal. Pretty good deal. Here's the number again, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call so you get your free chart. All right. Here, let's give you some examples. Now, again, This whole thing with Trump changed all his positions. He doesn't know he knows he's changed his position, but he has no idea what's going on. He has no clue. He's been a real estate guy. He's a real estate guy. So as I said, this thing of switching to a weak dollar kills us. Kills us. Yes, the multinationals make more money, but everything we import is more expensive, especially 10.1 million barrels a day, which means any gains we have from the multinationals making money, which I don't know what gains we get from them. They just take the money, put it in their pocket. They don't put it through the economy through wage increases. That's a terrible thing they're doing with a weak dollar. Terrible. But you know what? All you need to know is that inflation or no inflation, yes, you're not getting a wage increase. The reason why you don't get a wage increase because we don't have enough inflation. So from now on, when you hear inflation, don't think of it as a bad thing. It's a good thing. So you've got to make up some money somewhere, and in the market you can do it. And don't say, oh, I don't trust the market. The market's fine. Just don't trust the people associated with the market. Here, give you an example. Ralph Lauren dropped about 45%. And we waited and waited and waited. And finally it turned green. Started to turn green in June. Do you know where Ralph Lauren is now? Ralph Lauren's up 11%. 11%, Ralph Lauren. So please, get this free chart. Follow me with Ralph Lauren. Every afternoon at 4 o'clock when I finish my radio show, I do a video on the stocks I'm engaged in. Ralph Lauren is one of them. Just do what I tell you to do. When I tell you to add, you add. When I tell you not to add, don't add. Tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you not to buy, don't buy. When I tell you to run like hell, you run like hell. But you're going to see this is a beautiful thing. It works. JCPenney. Nobody wanted JCPenney. It fell 60%. Remember, JCPenney was going to go bankrupt. JCPenney's going to go out of business. No. I said, let's start buying when it turns green. You know where it is now? Up 22%. I'm not making this stuff up. I'm giving you this chart for 30 days to be my ambassador and say, he's not lying. This stuff really works. I've seen it firsthand. Here, I'll give you one last one. Macy's. Remember, Macy's got killed. They're going to go bankrupt, too. JCPenney, Macy's, all going to go bankrupt. Everybody, all the bubbleheads on TV. Really? It went down 54%, giving you beautiful buying opportunity. Only when the institutions are putting money in. Now it's up 15%. 15% gain. Now, I'm not going to say and sit here and say you're going to make 15%, you're going to make 22%, you're going to make 11%. No, I'm giving you the opportunity. You got to pull the trigger. When it's green, you got to decide when you want to pull the trigger. And you get more confidence the more you watch. That's why it's an important thing. Follow me for a couple weeks, then you can start using this chart on your own. And just do the stocks that I'm engaged in. It's a perfect thing. 877-600-GANG. Okay. I want to finish this up. And please, again, remember, if you start making money with a chart, which you will, okay, please remember St. Jude. All right. So let's finish up with this inflation, because this is very important. Because the reason why you haven't had wage increases in years, because we don't have enough inflation, which means the prices of goods aren't going up. When the price of goods don't go up, your wages don't go up. So here's why she lied. To make sure there is no cost of living increases to the millions of people on Social Security. That's right. The government doesn't want to pay people on Social Security more money, so they lie. They keep the inflation down. They lie about it. The bigger reason, though, Yellen was lying about how well the economy was doing. Remember, she lied. Because she was saying there was full employment. So she had to lie and say, remember, she kept saying, we're at full employment because our inflation hit my target of 2%, which it never did. She lied about full employment. How can you have full employment when there's 100 million people unemployed? On these other challenges, think about it. To reach full employment, how are you going to reach full employment when there's 100 million people? Never mind, you got Amazon going against you. Unions, there's no more unions. Unions are weak. They used to raise wages. And the worst thing is globalization. They can take your job and export it and fill it with half the price. So how is she going to reach, if she's trying to hit their 2% before they give you a wage increase, it's not going to work. No. See, you got to create jobs not with a weak dollar. You got to create jobs with a strong dollar. You got to cut taxes so the corporations make a boatload of money. And then you put legislation in that forbids them from doing stock buybacks. So the money goes through the economy through wages. And if they don't take money and put it back into the company in way of capital investment, new machinery, new equipment to get productivity up so you get your wages up, then we move their tax rate. Let's say he moves the tax rate down to 22%. Then, like I said yesterday, then penalize them. Move it up to 40% if they don't put the money in. Move it up to 40%. That's simple. That's how you get. But now he's changed that. Instead of creating a growth in the economy through a strong dollar to grow the economy, he's decided to go with a weak dollar. How do you grow the economy with a weak dollar? You can't. It's impossible. Why do you think a weak dollar is associated with a weak economy? And when you have that weak dollar, that means everything we import is so much more expensive, eating up our disposable income, and we don't have much income left when we finish paying our premiums. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. Get your chart. Here, I'll give you another one. I'll give you another stock we did. Here's a good stock. Valero. Here's a great example. Valero went from, and nobody wanted Valero, remember? Valero went from $61 up to $68. 11%. But guess what? It's not the 11% that's important. Anybody can do that. A monkey can do that. You know what's important? When do I get out? Guess what? It's been red for 3 days telling you to get out. But here's something even better. When it's green and it starts going down and staying green, it's telling you, don't buy. Don't buy. Only buy when it's going up. All you got to do is follow me on the stocks I'm engaged in every day. It works. Look, we know right now that these FANG stocks, everybody in the world's in these FANG stocks. And if you're in these FANG stocks, I hope to God you're careful. Everybody owns Facebook. Everybody. And now it went up again, shot up again. These are the stocks that you're going to get killed in. And if you're in Facebook or Google or Amazon, you have a great set of your wealth in these stocks, which a lot of people do, please get this chart. Get my chart free for 20 days, for 30 days, for a month, so you can see it work, so you can get out of these things in time. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Get your free color-coded chart. 877-600-GANG. Only 20 will be available, 20 ambassadors. See you on the chart. Take care of St. Jude.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.